Hi everyone, today we're going to be using a really easy blending technique to create a nice soft starry sky over the mountains. I've given the canvas a quick coat of white paint because this will make it a little easier when we come to blend our sky, and I'm using permanent rose with some rose pink and adding that colour to the bottom part of the sky and softening it and blending it in. Next, I've added some brilliant purple to the mix, and I'm using this for the top part of the sky. I'm coming in with my mop brush and just swirling that around, buffing all of the paint together to create a nice soft blend. Then we'll add an even darker colour to the corners, finally coming in with some pure Prussian blue. To block out the silhouette of my mountains, I'm using Prussian blue with a little brilliant purple. Next, I've made a lighter purple colour using brilliant purple, some rose pink and permanent rose, and I'm using this just to give that rosy glow to the side of the mountain. And then we can add some darker areas, some shadowed areas, and we can also add a little bit of snow on the peaks. Next, I'm using the same purple colour that I used for the side of my mountains, and I'm painting that in the distance. I'm slowly adding a little bit of burnt sienna, and then as I'm coming forward I'm adding yellow ochre and other colours just to give it a nice warm glow as we get closer to the foreground. For the darker colour in the corner, I've mixed Prussian blue and burnt sienna. You can get either a really nice dark brown or dark blue using these two colours. Now I'm using a liner brush to add the cabin. For this I've mainly used burnt sienna with a little bit of permanent rose added to it to give it that rosy glow, and then again for the darker colour I've used Prussian blue and burnt sienna. I've sketched out my cabin first, and I've also added a link in the description for a free traceable of the cabin and the mountains if you'd like to use it. For the grass in the foreground, I've initially used a stippler brush, and I'm just brushing that up and down in vertical strokes using dark colours, and then coming in again with my burnt sienna and yellow ochre. Then I'm coming in with the liner brush to add some lovely details. I've used a real mix of all my colours for the grass in the front. I've even added some lovely purples in there and a little bit of rose pink for highlights. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Here are some others I think will be useful to watch next, and I'll see you next time.